So, quick question. Do you ever feel like life keeps knocking you down? Like the universe is just out to get you? I used to feel that way too, until I realized I was asking the wrong question. Hey, hi, how's it going everybody? Dr. Goat here with another Car Talks. So, today I want to talk about a pretty big mind shift that I had and that I know will benefit you as well. And that is going from when things happen, asking, why is this happening to me? To, what is this teaching me? Because you can take a lesson out of anything, and when you shift that thought there, you'll start to be able to think in a more positive way and move along with intention and purpose. So, if you're new to the channel, I've mentioned in previous videos that my last relationship was 7 years spent with a narcissist, and at least 4 of those years I know I was being cheated on and off. Obviously, with being with a narcissist, you are always being manipulated, being gaslit, just overall being used and abused. So when I was with her, especially, the cheating started happening, or I started finding out about it, I guess. There was always lying and whatnot, but when this relationship ended, I spent quite a while, and when I say quite a while, I mean over a year and a few months probably, of pretty much sitting there in my victim mentality, which, don't get me wrong, when things like that happen to you, you technically are a victim of the situation. You have the right to kind of feel down about it. But I sat there for so long in that feeling, just like depressed every night, drinking pretty much every night, just to try to numb the way that I was feeling. And that feeling was me sitting there questioning, like, why did this happen to me? Why did this happen? Why did she do that? Why would she treat me that way? And basically the reality of it is, especially after it happening twice and continuing to stay in the relationship, I was essentially letting it happen to me. So, and letting that happen to me, letting it go on for all that time that I did, and sticking around because I thought that I could fix her, I thought that I could fix myself, and thought that I could save the relationship. But that was teaching her that I was gonna stick around no matter what. And yeah, basically this all is winding down into that me staying, that happening over and over and over again. I was driving myself nuts. Like, I was constantly, every day, sitting there worrying and being like, why is this happening to me? Why would she do it? Why would she do this again? And so after a year plus out of the relationship, I don't remember what. I had to have been listening to someone like Aaron Dowdy or Tony Robbins or Ed Milet. So yeah, I was listening to one of those guys, and whoever it was, they mentioned, not asking, why is this happening to me, but what is this teaching me? And I come to realize, if I back in the relationship when all this was happening, instead of asking, why is she doing this to me? If I had asked, what is this teaching me? I would not have stuck around there for so long. Because even without truly asking that to yourself, in a relationship like that, in a situation there, when someone's treating you that poorly, any person that's not like stuck in their mind that this is the person they're gonna be with and that they're gonna make this work, they can fix it, anyone's gonna see that, you know, this person's done this to me multiple times, so I can probably not trust them to treat me better, you know, and take that instance and get out of the relationship. But aside from that, getting out of that relationship, that whole year and whatnot of feeling low and depressed and all that, finally hearing that sentence, what is this teaching me? What is the lesson in this? It kind of clicked in my head, and I've started to kind of go back on situations in the past where, you know, I seen that something happened, it irritated me, and I just took it as, this ain't meant to be for me. I'm not meant to have this, I guess. And I've started to look at things and be like, okay, what was that situation teaching me? Like, what positive thing can I get out of that situation? And in the whole thing of my ex there, that whole relationship taught me what I want to do with my life, my purpose in life. Because I've always wanted to help people. That's always been a big thought in my mind. And that relationship taught me that, you know, everything that I went through, I am now qualified to help others that are either going through that situation themselves or have been in a situation similar to that. So, my challenge to you is to try to start looking at situations in this way. When something bad might happen, I get it, your natural response up to this point may be that, you know, to firstly ask yourself, why is this happening to me? You know, why does this always have to happen? And take a second when you realize that you're thinking that way and shift it. What is this teaching me? Because like I say, you can get a lesson out of everything. Everything that happens to you, everything that's going on around you, you can take a lesson from it. At the time, that relationship, I thought it was just breaking me down. I thought the world was breaking me down. I thought I was just, you know, not meant to be happy. And that I was just meant to be treated poorly, taken advantage of, being used. But I've learned to see it for what it really was. A lesson. Yes, a painful lesson, most definitely. But one that made me finally learn to actually value myself and to be able to set boundaries, learn to set boundaries, learn to, just value myself. And like I say, what I went through, I can now help other people that are in similar situations. So these terrible things that have happened to you were not just terrible things that happened to you. They were lessons for you. It happened for you to learn a lesson out of it. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know of a situation that you've been in that you may have first looked at it as, why is this happening to me? And switched it to what is this teaching me? What's the lesson here? And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.